All right, let's get back to the stuff only we can provide. So, are there any women with big boobs in here that... wait for it. Like, do you have a problem with seatbelts? Yeah. Okay. That sounded like a lot of big-boobed women.
That sounded like a unanimous consent in that one.
Do you put... How many of those women... I don't know how to measure it because if it's by applause, there's like 8 of you. I don't want to embarrass you. I want to give you your privacy, but I guess you said yes when I said do you have big boobs? You can say it the same way. Do you put the seatbelt behind you? Yes. That felt like there's 12 women with big boobs in here, and 4 to 7 of them drive with the seatbelt wrapped behind them because it disturbs their boobs. Just a thought.
That's bad.
Started dating someone with big boobs, and I'm an advocate. And I want you to be safe in the car.
Yeah. So one of you that gals that drives with it behind, like you're sacrificing the shoulder strap and you're just doing the lap belt.
Basically.
Really. The illusion of safety. So is it, yeah, you might not be flung out of the car. You'll just be smashed into the dashboard head first. That's a bummer. Is there anybody? Is there anybody like travel safety, whatever that's called, like working on seatbelts that can accommodate that?
Here? Are you asking if there's anybody in here?
No. I mean, no.
I am Professor Mortimer Xavier Honda.
Are people currently like working on
I doubt it.
Remedying that? Yeah, probably not.
And I feel like what?
There's as seen on TV where it's
like a sleeve.
Stuffed animal that sits on your bones.
Oh, like there's there's people sell a like a.
That doesn't work.
Yeah. Is that supposed to ease the? But that doesn't work. I'm assuming. Wait. Okay. So the boobs lift the belt and make it like a braid your neck.
Ah.
So look, I don't want to white knight the situation, but look, body shaming. I'm saying like if it's not getting addressed, it's because like we've done a number on women. Like how many of them are going to write to anybody and say I've got giant tits and I've got a problem with that? It's like none of them are going to do it. And it's like a lot of them are driving around like
has there
putting
been no
themselves at
public
risk.
outcry on that you know of? Anybody? That's crazy.
It's like yeah, like one of these.
I had the same problem with the lap belt.
That's the customer service line when you call and you're like seriously, like you're disturbed because you just had a near accident or you lost a friend and you're like calling and you're like kind of crying and then the guy's like asks you like 8 questions and then he goes like, okay, I'm just getting this down because it's the same with me in the lap belt, and then you hear 3 guys laughing and then they and you just hang up and curl up in the corner, sob. Yeah, well, ladies with big boobs, let it be said here first, I am on your side.
Dan Harmon,
you're
a friend
welcome.
of ladies with big boobs.
Ladies and gentlemen, Sam Elliott for Big Boob Seatbelts.
Oh, boy. I was going to go to a really dark place on that one. What you making there, Shrab?
Jesus. Shit, sorry.
I dropped my microphone a little bit. I dropped it. It was got on my foot. And the cable got.
We here at BMW have a whole new concept about the way cars should be driven and driven in. You got some big old hang-down floppers? You got some big old out front punch 'em rounds?
He's going into the different kinds of breasts.
I don't know. Don't make me do a commercial for titty safety.
What else do you got?
Your bosom deserves the respect. I can't.
Iced tea for titty safety.
Why does he have a rap beat?
because these Ice-T's are.
Well,
he's a
yeah, but it
professional-
makes it harder for me.
Well,
I don't play Nashville music when you're doing Sam Elliott.
If I had it, I would play it. I'm not allowed to play licensed music anymore. Yeah.
Just limit. Look, if you're gonna pimp me to do Ice-T endorsements, don't play a beat because I'm not gonna rap to it. Then it's just a sound.
All right. Ice-T for manned space exploration and the funding thereof.
We've been on this earth for over 5 trillion years. And we still can't get off it? Shit. It don't even matter to me personally what's out there. It's the principle of the thing. Gotta get my ass off this planet. If you feel the same way, write your congressman.
That was pretty good.
Yeah,
I liked it.
The beat was fucking me up.
I liked it.